When vehicles gain intelligence and rethink mobility, safety becomes the gentlest form of protection that technology can offer. Yutong's advanced driving assistance builds human trust in vehicles and empowers vehicles to protect humans' driving assistance. The MOIS, Moving Off Information System, and BSIS, Blind Spot Information System, act as a second pair of eyes for drivers. Sensors installed at the front and sides of the vehicle monitor in real time. When pedestrians appear in blind spots, the system promptly detects them and automatically alerts the driver with multi-level warning messages. In the fleeting moment when danger strikes, turning your trust into the vehicle's instinct is a testament to technology's reverence for life. For city buses, we've developed the Collision Mitigation System, which can effectively avoid or reduce collision damage and protect people inside and outside the vehicle. This is the first intelligent driving technology that has been installed on buses. The automatic emergency braking system uses millimeter wave radar and cameras to automatically detect obstacles ahead. When a collision risk is detected, the system automatically activates the vehicle's braking system to decelerate, significantly improving driving safety. The passive lane change assist function continuously monitors traffic conditions on both sides of the vehicle. When a lane change scenario is detected, the system sends out visual or auditory signals to alert the driver of lane change risks, helping to identify the optimal moment for a lane change. In adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, or fog, the PLCA system can improve detection performance by enhancing the intensity of radar transmission waves, reducing accidents caused by impaired visibility. The adaptive cruise control actively identifies the road traffic environment, allows the vehicle to run at a set speed, and automatically adjusts the speed based on the distance to the vehicle ahead, ensuring a safe following distance. On the journey, make every encounter pleasant and enjoyable through technology. Yutong's advanced driving assistance technology safeguards every moment on the road, paving the way for a brighter future.